Hello, welcome back. This is Grillenheimer. Sorry you got to see my mug again. But in the meantime, I've gotten the okay from a buddy of mine in another state, so I just call him Buddy. Uh, I try not to use people's real names on YouTube. And so with that, he's made a couple of characters, and he doesn't have a laptop or the Magic Set Editor, bless his soul. So he'll send me all his information and his images that he wants to use in making characters. If you can hear that, there's birds right next to me on the other side of the window. Sorry about that. Talk about a bird sanctuary. Anyway, Necrotitan. Oh, there they are. Now they're on the bird feeder. It's empty. I'm sorry. Let's just redo this.